it is one of the key things that helps you grow, because it makes you stop doing the bad things. It makes you stop doing the things that are not going to get you to where you want to be in life. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another one of the New Era Mindset. It is good to finally be back and making videos. As you can see, it's a little bit different. It's a different setup over here, and I'll explain why I took long making another video, or why this setup now. Why am I in a similar but different space? It's a story for another video. Still, I'm talking about the growth mindset. I want to finish this series, and although I said that I was gonna make them every week, I'm sorry that I failed to do so. Like I said, I'll explain on another video. I don't want to waste any time talking about anything else. I just want to get to it, keep talking about the growth mindset, because it's the one thing that got me out of this whole thing, out of the idea of, oh, I'm just supposed to be an employee, or oh, I've just, you know, I don't need to have all that money, or oh, I just, you know, I don't, like, why do I want to do big things? Like it's the one thing that got me out of that mind, that way of thinking of life. So today we are going to be talking still about the growth mindset, but today is, can you see that good? I hope you can see it good. Anyways, it's part 2, the power of willpower. So there, when, you know, I talked in the previous video, I talked about when it opens your, you know, the opening of your eyes, your mind, like you'll start to see things in a different way. And being that you opened your eyes, you opened your mind to new ideas, you realize that your willpower grows. That strength, that your belief starts to grow. And all of a sudden what happens is that anything that you thought was not possible for you becomes possible. Obviously it takes work. It's going to be, you know, it's going to take time. It's going to take some education possibly, and it's going to, like, you know, I'm not talking about regular nowadays schools. I'm talking about mental education. It's going to take, you know, like, you're going to have to study whatever it is that you want to get good at, or that you want to develop. But now your willpower is in a state where you say, I can do this. Like, I got this. The awesome thing about this is that it's something that it enables you to do certain things that you thought you couldn't. It enables you to stop doing things that you thought you couldn't stop before, or like, it gives you more commitment. It makes it possible. It makes you feel like whatever it is that you want in your life. Obviously, there are certain limitations, let's be honest, you know, but it makes you realize that whatever it is that you want in your life, whatever it is that you want to acquire, it's possible. It's the power of will. You can stay committed. You can stop doing the things that are bad for you, or that like make your path a little longer to get to where you want to be, or maybe even like not possible to get to where you want to be if you're overdoing certain things. You realize that maybe playing video games all day is not going to get you where you want to be. Now, I'm not saying you don't play at all. Like, I play every now, you know, I play sometimes and everything. Like, you just can't get enough of some of these games, right? You have to realize that although it's sometimes a good way to kind of distract your mind, and, like, you know, because in games you can do these things that I don't know, that sometimes you feel different when you're playing video games, and sometimes, like, you know, it's fine, but don't overdo it to the point where it's getting between you and your goals. Don't overdo it. So that's where the power of will comes in. You start being able to say, I'm not gonna do this. It's not good for me. Like, I can do it every, like, you know, every now and then or whatever, but this is not going to get me where I want to be. Like, for example, you know, when I started this, I wanted to make videos, but at the same time I like playing video games. And I mean, it's just so easy to just turn on the TV, turn on the system, and start, you know, going at it, playing, you know. But now I have to say, okay, I can't play this. I gotta focus on making my videos right now. I gotta focus on editing the video, doing whatever it is that I need to do instead of playing these games. That's the power of will. That's where the power of will comes in. It makes it possible for you to stop doing the things that are not getting you to where you want to be, and it makes you actually do the things that you not only that you want to do, but that you need to do to get to where you want to get in life. You didn't think about this before. You didn't think that things were possible before. You didn't think that you could stop smoking. You didn't think that you could stop drinking. You didn't think that you can like stop maybe watching pornography or something. You didn't think that you could do, like, you could actually stop doing these things that were bad for your health. But when you start developing this, all of a sudden things are possible. Isn't that awesome? It makes things possible for you. It makes you see things in a way that you say, I can do it. Like, let's start now, you know? Well, that's it for this video. I hope that you like it. It's a little bit short, but I just wanted to touch that topic on the growth mindset, the power of will, because it is so important. It is one of the key things that helps you grow, because it makes you stop doing the bad things. It makes you stop doing the things that are not going to get you to where you want to be in life. So I needed to talk about it. Guys, I hope that you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give it a like. That helps me see that you guys are actually enjoying this content and that it's actually helping you. And also subscribe so that you can get that notification whenever I upload a new video. I apologize that I haven't been uploading for the last 2 weeks, I think it was, or 2 weeks and a half, something like that. I'll explain why on another video, but I appreciate it if you guys like it, subscribe, and share it with somebody who you think it will help, all right? And if you haven't yet, take it into consideration. Start developing a growth mindset, and you'll see what I'm talking about. You'll realize that all this that I'm telling you right now is nothing but the truth, and you're just gonna love it. All right, I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care. Bye.